can't let your credit score judge you. We got to be able to help you to figure this out and get you into your home. Today we're talking about the FHA Zero Down with the Credit Booster. We're one of the only lenders in America that offers this great program to help you to purchase your house with FHA. And we even offer a credit booster. So it's a really cool opportunity. I'm going to talk about it to explain how it works. So we have a nationwide FHA down payment assistance program. You do have to have a 620 credit score for that. So, and the only states that we don't offer that in right now is in New York and Nevada, but everywhere else we're game. And so basically, if you don't have a 620, that's cool. We have a credit booster program. You've seen my videos on the software that we use to get your score up. So if you need light credit repair from basic, we can run you through our credit simulator if you have like a 580 or higher credit score to boost you up. But if you don't have that and you need help, we can also refer you to our credit repair team. So, if you want more information, give us a call or text us 832-431-6331. In the end, ultimately, it's all about getting into your home, making it happen. You can't let your credit score judge you. We've got to be able to help you to figure this out and get you into your home. So call or text Angelo so we can help you make it happen. Thank you.